In this video, we will determine the axis of symmetry and the vertex. So the formula for axis of symmetry. So if we have ax squared plus bx plus c, the axis of symmetry will be negative b divided by 2a. And so we'll do an example. What is the axis of symmetry for this function right here? So negative b. So negative parentheses, b is also negative. So parentheses negative 4 divided by 2a. Divided by 2, and a is 1. So 2 times 1. So we would get positive 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So the axis of symmetry is 2. Now, in order to determine the vertex, it's like a coordinate. I'm going to plug in the axis of symmetry back into the function. So I would get 2 squared, 4 minus 4 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 minus 8 would give us negative 4 plus 4. That's going to be 0. So the vertex is right here, and that corresponds to 2, 0. Now we will solve two other problems. This is problem 1 and this is problem 2. And we want to determine the axis of symmetry and the vertex. And so if you want to pause the video here and attempt this problem, feel free. So the first one. So we can first write the letters like A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to negative 8. So our formula is negative b divided by 2a. So negative 2 divided by 2 times 1. So we would get negative 1. So the axis of symmetry is negative 1. Now in order to get the vertex, I'm going to plug negative 1 back into the function. And I would get parentheses negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 8. So this would be 1 minus 2 minus 8. So minus 2 minus 8 is negative 10. Plus 1, so we get negative 9. And so the vertex will be negative 1, negative 9. Now for our second problem. So we have A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 0. So we have negative b divided by 2a. So negative 2 divided by 2 times 1, so we get negative 1. And now we simply plug it back into this equation here. So we get parentheses negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1. So this here is 1, this is negative 2. So it's equal to negative 1. And so our vertex would be negative 1, negative 1. And that's pretty much it for this video.